Hey YouTube, Wheelchair21 here, and I got an unboxing, and it is from HLJ, Hobby Link Japan. The only reason I went there was they had a huge-ass sale recently on EMS, 50% off on shipping, and like 30% off on a lot of items they couldn't get rid of, mostly Ghost Ager crap, so, I mean, I don't like Ghost Ager, but I saw one item that I really wanted, so I bought the cocksucker. I bought it. So let's just unbox this thing. Right now, you're probably wondering, where am I? Am I at my mom's? Am I at my dad's? Nah, I'm not down at my grandmother's. She lives about, I don't know, not even a quarter of a mile down the road. That was her walking around. She's getting ready to, like, set up for dinner. London broil, whatever it is. I don't know. So, inside, I got packaged the Leon Cellular. I don't know why I bought it. I like the design. It reminds me of the Lunar Caller from Wild Force. So I bought it. Also, while I'm down here, I'm hanging out with my good friend Skeen. Haven't seen him in years. Plan to, that was him waving his hand in front of the camera. I plan to, hang out with him, go to see Harry Potter most likely tomorrow. We tried to get our boy Tito. You saw him already on YouTube once before. And, we were gonna go. But, Tito bailed, and now it's just down to me and him. And we're going on a road trip, yo! Road trip! Epic fail! It's gonna be. Watch. We're not gonna wake up till 2 o'clock and have to go to the 4 o'clock showing and get back by 8. That's how epic it's gonna end up being. Just watch. I'll come back. I'll maybe make a response to that movie. Because I really am going for only 2 reasons. 1, I read the book. And 2, I really just want to see Emma Watson. Yeah. She's banging. So, anyway, I'm gonna set this stupid thing up. Try to figure out which is what for the codes. And probably just go look at Shuken Shinobi's review. Because, as we all know, he's Shuki. He has to review it because he's a completist asshole. But yeah, he's a good friend of mine. Because he's a completist asshole. And I like those kind of people. Because whatever I don't buy, I can then stare at. Yes. I'll just stare at their toys. It's like window shopping. But for people who have addicts like me. Yeah. We're addicted to shit. Because we buy it. So, see you guys later. I'm going to see that goddamn movie. And, let's just say, damn, son.